Hi, everybody. Welcome to Fireside. Should we try again? Hi, everybody. Welcome to Fireside Chat number
235.
235. I won't say anything about it except that I advise you to go back to any numbers and watch or listen as you prefer. I hope they're all in some way life-changing. Otherwise, I feel that I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do with my life. That's an interesting subject, you know? What I've always felt I should do with my life. Well, I'll put that down for another time. Maybe 236. So you all probably know, this is Otto, of course. Everybody knows Otto. And that's my boy. Do you know that Otto just came in? I mean, as if on call. That's how good a fella he is. Everybody knows about Elon Musk and his desire to take over Twitter. It's a very important issue because it raises much larger issues than even he or Twitter. The whole issue of the most important freedom of all, free speech. Because if you have every other freedom and not freedom of speech, your life is rendered robotic. It's like people used to say, I heard this so much, well, in Cuba, it's true, there's no freedom of speech, but there is free health care. Of course, the free health care is largely worthless for most people. You have to bring your own sheets and pillows to these mostly very awful hospitals. But that very notion betrays the individual's values, that how easily people dispense with free speech if they get other things. Or my favorite was, well, in Cuba, they have a 99% literacy rate, to which I always answered, I'd rather be illiterate.
Big tech censorship continues to be a big challenge for PragerU, and it's more important than ever that our audience watches our content on our platform. To continue watching this episode of the Fireside Chat, go to PragerU.com today.